Hey guys, so I'm super excited about this Bujo plan with me. I'm going to be going in with my regular Twee markers from Arteza. If you haven't seen these before, they have two different nibs on them, a brush nib and a bullet point nib, and they're pretty awesome and they come in amazing colors. If you'd like to check them out, I will link them below in the description. This month I decided to do a pink, blue, and gray theme. Since it's Valentine's Day, I wanted to incorporate a light pink, and I really liked the sky blue because it kind of went with the theme because I wanted to do some type of paper airplane, and so I decided to do clouds with the paper airplane. And the quote on my opening page is, "The sky is the limit, let's go together." And I just did that in different kinds of lettering. And then I went in and colored in all of the clouds and the paper airplanes. For the calendar page, I really wanted the days to look like they were kind of like floating, like in a, sky, since clouds were part of the theme. So I rounded the corners and made them unperfect because I wanted them to kind of resemble like a puffy block, if that makes sense. And then once I have those in, I went in and outlined all of my clouds once again and did all of my different fonts for the lettering. And then the next spread is my usual mood tracker and habits tracker. I really love these two pages. It really helps me stay on track with my Bujo planning every day. So I decided to do a big cloud for the title lettering, and then do the lettering inside the cloud. I did do clouds for my mood tracker this month, and I really like how it turned out, even though it did take quite a long time to color all of those clouds in. But once we are done with that, we are going to move on to a new spread, which you will see in a couple minutes. Since it is Valentine's Day this month, I decided to do a different spread. I decided to do 14 different things I love about Andrew. You guys can do this with whoever you would like. You can just do a gratitude log, but I wanted it to be specific. And so that's what I did with this. And then the next one, I did the feelings spread, and I moved on to my weekly planner. I wanted the days to kind of resemble like puffy clouds. So I went in and outlined kind of like the corner into a cloud formation. And then I went in with the weekly fonts, and then I went in with color and decorated everything. After I was done planning all of the pages out, I just felt like it needed more color, so I went back into each page and just outlined all the clouds in either pink or blue, and I underlined all the clouds with gray, and just kind of did little accents with the color here and there on each page until it all looked cohesive. And then once I was done with that, that was it for this month's bullet journal setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know what theme you're doing this month in February 2021. I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.